Ocean Parkway is a narrow ribbon marsh on one side, Atlantic on the other. In the dark, sound carries and memories don't. The headlines call it Gilgo Beach. The case is bigger than a beach. It is time, method, and the patience of a shoreline. Today, Rex HEUERMANN, 61, is held without bail. 7 murder charges. Not guilty pleas. The courtroom future is about DNA, digital artifacts, and movement maps that may or may not point to a person. We're not here for monsters. We're here for the method. On-screen bumper. This episode, the corridor, the timeline, the build. The 2010 to 2011 search for a missing woman reveals multiple remains along the scrub line beside Ocean Parkway. Investigative reality. Winds wipe scent. Sand moves, salt erases. Operational response. Grid searches, sector assignments, staging areas, and chain of custody tents. Public effect. The corridor becomes a single word, Gilgo, even though geography is larger, South Shore sprawl, access from several parkways. When an area becomes a symbol, nuance dies. Investigators work the real map, not the symbolic one. Grid planning. Perpendicular passes, K9 teams, GPS wands. Mapping every marker against tides and storms. Recovery protocol. Prioritize non-graphic, respectful coverage. Me units take custodial lead on remains. Patrol secures perimeter lines against onlookers and press. Evidence triage. Anything small enough to be blown or washed moves first. Everything else is photographed, sketched, logged, and bagged. 2010 to 2011 finds reshape the map. The case hardens into a long investigation with gaps and spurts. July 2023 arrest in Manhattan follows renewed task force efforts. Initial charges. Barthélemy, Waterman, Costello. Brainerd Barnes added later. Through 2024, 3 earlier cases are added. Taylor 2003, Costilla 1993, Mac 2000, bringing the charge total to 7. Context for viewers. Adding older cases doesn't mean new victims. It means old evidence revisited with new tools met a charging standard. An architect by trade. Massapequa Park to Manhattan by commute. Routine, not romance. Why routine matters. A familiar access corridor means predictable opportunities. State narrative, high-level triangulate cell site arcs, align with temporal windows. Compare with witnesses and digital traces. Defense narrative, high-level phones are proxies, not people. Timelines are interpretations, not evidence of identity. Court terms, plain language. CR, repeating DNA segments used for identification. Mitochondrial DNA. Maternal line markers. Less specific but durable. WGS, whole genome sequencing, a rescue approach when material is degraded. Why hair is tricky. It's human, yes, but in court it becomes statistics, controls, and chain of custody. Likely arguments. Acceptance of methods. Lab validation. Mixture interpretation. Contamination hypotheticals. In the public mind, DNA is a key. In court, it's a paragraph the jury has to read carefully. Victims' families. Cycles of notification, re-notification, hearings, and media requests. Suspect's family. Not accused but affected, neighbors, cameras, job calls, paperwork. Investigators. Years of case drag. New tech reopens old boxes and old wounds. A case isn't a single shock. It's a long hum beneath daily life. Where we are, 7 charges. Custody without bail. Not guilty pleas. What's next? Admissibility fights, single trial posture. And the schedule that decides what the jury will actually hear. Maps, phones, and biology got us here. Procedure decides where here goes next. In part 2, we step into the courtroom. DNA scope, defense strategy, and why the judge kept the single trial intact.